KPI Green Energy starts 92.15 megawatts hybrid power supply ahead of schedule. GUVNL project update, renewable energy news. KPI Green Energy has announced a major operational milestone in its renewable energy journey. The company's 92.15 MWP independent power producer hybrid power project, awarded by Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam Limited under a competitive bidding process, has successfully commenced power generation and supply to the Gujarat state grid well ahead of its scheduled completion timeline. The hybrid project has a total contracted capacity of 92.15 MWP, comprising 16.95 megawatts of wind power capacity and 75.2 MWP of solar power capacity. With GUVNL as the offtaker, the project has achieved grid synchronization, and power injection into the grid has already begun. Notably, this development comes significantly ahead of the original project completion deadline of July 2026, highlighting KPI Green Energy's strong execution capabilities and integrated project development expertise. With the start of power generation, the project is now expected to contribute to the company's revenue on a sustained basis, in line with the long-term power purchase agreement signed with GUVNL. The long-term contracted nature of this project is expected to ensure stable and predictable cash flows, strengthening KPI Green Energy's overall renewable energy portfolio and financial visibility. Commenting on this achievement, Dr. Farooq G. Patel, Chairman and Managing Director of KPI Green Energy Limited, stated that the early start of power supply demonstrates the company's continued focus on timely execution of large-scale renewable energy projects. He also emphasized that hybrid renewable solutions play a crucial role in improving generation reliability, and this milestone further reinforces KPI Green Energy's position as a trusted renewable energy partner for state utilities. This project also underlines the company's strategic focus on expanding its footprint across wind, solar, and hybrid power segments, while supporting grid stability through complementary renewable generation sources. Overall, the early commissioning of this hybrid IPP project aligns with KPI Green Energy's long-term objective of building a diversified, resilient renewable energy portfolio and delivering sustainable value to its stakeholders. Stay tuned to Bazaar Buzz for more business updates, electronics sector news, and company-specific developments from India's manufacturing space.